My name is Ethan Jordan. I'm from Point Pleasant, West Virginia, and I'm currently enrolled in the SMART program, which stands for Systems, Maintenance, Automation, and Robotics Technology, and I'm interning at Newport Seal, West Virginia. I learned about the SMART program through Facebook. My mom actually showed it to me. I was looking at other trade opportunities and programs, and then the SMART program, came up, and it was really interesting to me, so I decided to pursue that. My experience with Mountwest and the SMART program has been amazing. I've learned a lot, and there's such a wide variety of things we've been going over and different skills we've been learning. My teachers have been great. My classmates have been awesome. I've made some really close friends through it, and I couldn't recommend it enough. The advice I would give somebody in my place is learn everything you can. There's no rush to figure out what specific direction you want to go. Just learn about everything, make relationships, and as you learn and grow, you will gravitate to certain things that you're into and that you're passionate about. If any of this has interested you and you want to learn more, contact us today.